Howdy guys, in today's video we're going to be looking at our advanced part offset option that is for your auto nesting feature, and this will be for FabriCAM software. But before all of that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Otherwise, if we head here back into the actual tutorial. So now previously we looked at our nesting direction. So now we're going to be looking at some offsetting or part offset. So I'm just going to reset this kind of preview here. Now previously we looked at a quick generic offset like we mentioned before with the speed. So let's go to 100 preview, and then you see it can equally tries to offset this. Now it is kind of hard to get an exact amount of distance between shapes just with this. So then what you can do is we go to configuration, and then you will notice we have this little part offset feature, and then in millimeters. So this is going to be the spacing between shapes. So let's go about 10 mil. Let's try that again. 10 mil. Say okay, and then I'm going to start it, and then we can see now all the shapes have a 10 mil space between them. Now it is also rearranged the layout, and that is the beauty of this auto nesting. It will try find the best layout depending on the shapes and where they're at. So let's just go one more. We go configuration. I'm going to set this just a bit more, maybe something like 40, just so you can nicely see the effect. Click start again, and then you can see we've got a nice spacing now with a lot of white space room. But yeah, otherwise that is it on the actual part offset. So it is basically putting an offset between parts from each other. And just a quick recap, you will be doing that under configuration, and then it is the second advanced option we have available here. So I'm just going to say okay, and then go back to that. But yeah, otherwise that is it on the part offset. If we head here to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover, and you can also isolate your search on the top right. If you do not, however, find the training videos you're looking for, just simply go here, request a training video, fill in the mini form, and then we'll do our best to try and make that for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.